Today we'll show you how to download Rainbow Six Siege. Okay, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, okay, we'll show you something. Just go to your Google Chrome and click here Rainbow Six Siege. Okay, you can download it from Steam like this, like from Steam, like Store Steam, or you can download it from ubcosoft.com. Okay, guys, just now we'll open our Steam. Just we have now Steam. Just click to your Steam and go to here to Store and close and like this, and click to search to the store and click Rainbow like this, Rainbow Six Siege. Okay, Six Siege like this, and we will be like this is a version, like this is a version, all version like free. Okay, just click to this is the first, like this is a Rainbow Six. Okay, just now go put it down and go to add to library. Okay, guys, just click like this and okay, and go now to your library like this and go to here, will be fine here. Okay, just click like this and this, you have two, this and this. Okay, guys, just download this and install it, and finally we have Rainbow Six Siege in your PC and laptop. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.